what is the recovery process?
For me, as a patient, mine was, I think it was 14 days. I'm obviously a big gym head. I own a gym here in Dublin, so getting back training was my main objective. I think on the 14th day or the 15th day, I think I got back training. I think the first 7 days is where I really did not much. I think it was kind of self-about. Doctor, is that usually the norm?
Normally, yes, you're absolutely right, Jamie. So we normally would advise people to take the first week completely off. Just take it easy, do little, but still keep active, obviously. Do for your walks, try to eat healthy, drink plenty of water, all those good lifestyle which everyone should be doing, really. But you should be a bit more extra cautious in the first week. After the first week, obviously the worst has gone, the swelling has gone, everything has settled, and you need an extra week probably to return to, if you're doing any heavy manual jobs and things like that, just to
builders, construction workers, stuff
exactly.
like that.
And if you particularly wearing a helmet or maybe some hats at work, then definitely I would recommend avoid the first 2 weeks returning to your work.